Hey City Bitches, I'm Jesse Garcia and welcome back to a new video. Today we have a couple packages that we're gonna be opening, but let's just get down straight to it and we're gonna go in with the small Jeffree Star mystery box that I got today in the mail. I got the other one a couple days ago, but I wanted to wait to open them all together. Ooh, we got a pop socket, which I really wanted. We have Skin Frost. Ooh, girl. Okay, I'm gonna place this here and I'm just gonna take it out and show you what it comes with. This was $40 with no shipping included, so we're just gonna leave it at 40 because that was the price of the actual box. So I'm gonna be checking prices online and be telling you, how much it is and the sum of it all and how much we're getting for what we paid. So we have the pop socket, which wasn't listed on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics page, but I saw a lot of people selling it for like $16 up to $25, $26. Let's not count this one just in case. I got Skin Frost in the shade Regina George. I love it. It's really pretty. I've seen it before online. I haven't seen it in person. Ooh. There. Ta-da! That's really pretty. I love pink. I'm starting to get obsessed with pink and my favorite color is red. So this retails for $29, which is more than half of what we paid for these spots already, so just keep that in mind. Then we got Velour liquid lipstick from the family collection in the shade Watermelon Soda. This is really pretty. That's really nice. Oh, this smells so good. I swear it smells so sweet. I love this kind of scent. Retails for, I think it's $18. Let me check. It is $18. Then we got two more Velour liquid lipsticks from the latest collection, but these two I have them already. I have Can Relate and Cloud, so we'll see what we do with them. They're also $18. Okay, so far we have Skin Frost, $29. We have 3 Velour liquid lipsticks in the shade Cloud, Can Relate, and Watermelon Soda. And then we have lip ammunition in the shade Jeffree's Girl. This is my very first lip ammunition. Like, I haven't bought any before, but here it is. This is really cute. I can't wait to try them. So we have 29 plus 18 from one Velour liquid lipstick, another 18 from another Velour liquid lipstick, another 18 from another Velour liquid lipstick, and then we have 18 more because the lip ammunition is also 18, which is a total of $101. And that's not counting that pop socket, which we don't know the price of it. It wasn't listed or anything. So that's more than half of what we paid. So that's more than the double of what we paid. Just keep that in mind. So now we're gonna open the big box. I'm gonna put it right here because this is hard. It's really hard to keep it up here. So I'm gonna put all these on the side separate. Oh my god. I dropped everything. But I see a shirt. I'm back. Do you see something different? Can't relate, bitch. So let's start with the shirt, which is really cute. I got in a size medium. I thought when I opened it, it felt like bigger, but actually it fits really good. This is perfect. This is $25. And I love it. This color, it's perfect. We have everything just thrown back in there because I'm dumb. Let's start with liquid lipsticks. Okay, so we have 3 of them. We have Dream House, Diamond, and Push Spice. There they are. 2 of them are from the family collection, and this other one that I don't know which collection this is. But I can't wait to try Diamond. There they are. I can't wait to play with them, honestly. The pop socket, another one. So we have 25 from the shirt plus 18 of each Velour liquid lipstick, and we have 3 of them. And the pop socket, like I said before, we don't know the price. We have a lip ammunition in the Jeffree's Girl, which is the one I got in the other box. But I mean, we'll do something with it. plus 18 of this one, so it's a shame. I really want unicorn blood. I really wanted it. I really wanted it. We have my very first velour lip liner in the shade Push Spice. Oh, that's great. I have the velour liquid lipstick and I have the lip liner. This is great. This one is $16. So these spots was either $70, $75. Right now we're at 113 with all of these. I still have 2 things left, so that's a lot. We have Skin Frost in the shade Lavender Snow. I wanted this one. I really wanted this one. I have mint condition and I really like colorful highlighters for some reason. I just like a lot of color. That's really pretty. These retails for $29. And last but not least, we have Frozen Peach Supreme Frost. This is my very first Supreme Frost. A lot of these things are like my very first. Like I have only gotten palettes and the highlighter palettes. I really wanted lip ammunition just because I wanted to have like, you know, that bullet lipstick. It's really cute. This is really pretty. It's not as big as the others. Let me show you. Right. This is the Skin Frost. It's $32. So let's open this up. Oh my god, this is so pretty. You know what's the weird thing? These ones are so easy to open, yet the Skin Frost is so hard to open. Like I almost break my nails every time I try to open it. That's really pretty. So right now that's the last item and we're at $174. Oh, girl, you get a lot for what you pay. You definitely do. Like it's like $100 in items that you got. I'm just blown away for real. So let's keep on boxing. I'm really happy with these items that I got from this brand. I really love Jeffree Star, the brand. It's really nice. The velour liquid lipstick, it's so soft, so smooth, and glides on so easily. The Skin Frost is amazing. I love it. We're gonna do another video trying some of these new items. That smells delicious. So we have this other one that I think. Okay, it is what I was expecting. I didn't even read the box, but yeah. Ta-da! The Grinch. Okay, let me put this down. This makes a lot of trash. Make sure you recycle. Put this box away because I'm Mexican and I use this to give gifts away because I don't like to buy new boxes and bags. And don't judge me. So this is from the brand Pure Ed Dr. Seuss, the Grinch. Grinch stole my look. So this is a color changing skin perfecting clay mask. In the bag it has the instructions. Cruelty free, gluten free, vegan friendly, and please recycle. Girl. Let's. This is adorable. Look at that. That's really cute. So I have some brushes from this brand and I have like the actual like eyeshadow palette with like a lip balm or something. I'm gonna try to do a look using, you know, all of these items like the mask and everything. Last but not least, we have Juvia, which I'm really excited for. I've been waiting for this a long time. They took a long time with this order. So I'm gonna open this right here because I know it has these things and I don't want to make a mess. But here they are. The Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1 and 2. 1 and 2. I'm really excited for this. I got this just because it had like 40% off at the online store. And it was because you were using the code Valentine's. Maybe you can still use it. Just, you know, go and check it out. You could. 40% off. I love that. I'm really cheap. I don't think I ever buy anything full price. I'm so excited. I'm gonna open this and I will show you the palettes. It comes in this plastic that I hate. Here's the volume 2. Here we have the volume 1. So we're probably gonna do an eyelid with one of the palettes from this brand for the eyes, and then we might be using the blush palettes too. I was really excited for this. I was like waiting for the time when these mystery boxes were going to go on sale, and I was like trying to put my information in, and then the webpage crashed, and I was so mad. I was like, oh no, I'm gonna lose my place in line, and but no, I didn't. When you went in and you had like added the things to your cart and you started going through the checkout process, it sent you a message that said if there's a mistake or something, you won't lose your place in line or something like that. Yeah, so I wasn't really scared. I was just angry because it was crashing. I can't wait to try these things. I will probably make another video trying these, so look out for that. Well, that's it, my sets of bitches. We unboxed this mask from the Pure brand, from the Grinch, blushes from Juvia's, and of course the mystery boxes from Jeffree Star, which were great. I'm really happy with what I got for what I paid for. And of course, this shirt. I gotta make sure I stay away from my cat though. I don't want to ruin it with cat hair. So that's it. Bye guys.